I forgot what I was doing. Yes, this is Mama now, and I love you. What? We're gonna get through this, okay? What? What? No, I don't want to pay with my life. My life is somewhat valuable to me. Oh, fuck! Hiya! Oh no! Let's go back to the fountain. Fucking asshole! Oh no! Fill me with your light! Can I make this jump, you guys think? I can't make it. It just killed me. Alright. I don't need it. Oh! Fiddle diddle! I forgot to save! I'm so far behind now. You know what? What if we go this way? What's over here? There you are, you little bitch! Oh. Oh dear. Oh my god. What the fuck? How am I supposed to get through this? Okay, you know what? We just... It's fine. It's fine. Oh god. Ah! Damn it! I forgot to save. I don't have any... Okay. You just need to not be stupid, you know? That's the main thing. Eep. I get scared! I'm so scared! Ah! Oh, nice. Give me that. Thank you. Alright. Easy, easy. Save. Ow. Thank you. Thank you for dying. Appreciate it. Okay. I guess we just... Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. You... Ah! Oh, it's a good thing I saved. So, as I was saying, first try. Oh dear, oh my goodness. Oh, ooh, 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 ooh. There we go, that's how we do it. Down in the hood. Get the Oh. Up we go. What is with you? Stop. Oh my goodness. Oh, see? That's what happens. That's what happens. You deserve that. Oh dear, what's happening? Ah! Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Are those insta-deaths? Oh! No, I should just let you die, but you know, whatever. We'll be a good boy for now. Fucking dinglebanger. Whatever that word was, okay. I can't turn this, okay. Yes, give me the thing. Thank you. Water vein. Oh boy. This ancient gemstone will grant you an entrance. I can read. I can get a lot different places. I died! Like I said, that never happened. I did not die from that creature thing. Whatever. Oh. The way that- Ah! What the hell was that? Ah! Let's go! Oh my god, I can't believe it worked. Yes! Put in that water vein. Oh yeah. Oh, my wrist. Oh my god, we can go in. Let's go. Oh my god. What the fuck is this? Is this like a dungeon? Rotten inside. Oh my god. The waters of Nibble once flowed through this very tree. Now it's rotten and dried up inside. We shall restore the flow of the Jinto tree's heart. We must find. Okay. Oh, I can just straight up leave. Oh my god, look at the moves. I'm so good at this game. Wow. Oh, no! Hate pain. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Let's go! Oh no, what is that? We're fine, 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 we're fine. Easy. GG's. Oh, crap! Okay, I see what I have to do. I think. Easy! Woo! Ah! Oh my goodness gracious. Let's save. Because this is a very thorny area. Oh my god! Oh my god, they didn't tell me. This is fine. Everything is fine. Ah, shit! Ah! Wait, where am I? Oh my god! He didn't go through the... It's fine. It's fine. It's fine! Everything's fine! We made it, we made it, we made it, save. Oh my god, let's never do that again. Oh my... These portals! What if we do that? Oh, shit! Guys, big brain, big brain, big brain. Oh my god. Big brain. Hold on, wait. We can do this, hold on. Hold on, I have an idea, Super massive brain. Holy crap, I'm so smart. Oh yeah, give me that light. Bash? Okay, use this ability, hold Y near lanterns or enemy projectile, then aim the direction you would like to leap. Redirect it in the— oh my god, what? There we go. Ouch, ouch, ouch! No, don't. Okay, just be gentle, be gentle. Whoa, what? I wasn't close enough, seriously? It's just inevitable. You know what? Fuck it, we'll take it. Okay, just be gentle with me. Oh, how did I miss? Oh crap. Oh my god, I don't know how I'm gonna make this. Please. Oh! Holy cow. Like I said, I am amazing at this game. Truly. Fan-freaking-tastic. Where? Oh god, what the hell was that? Oh god, oh no. Here we go. Just gotta go right back. Shit. No, don't, please. How did I miss? I don't know. Let's go, baby! Yeah! Now that's what I'm talking about. Oh, yeah, give me this nice little fountain thing. I forgot what it's called. Come on, let's do it. Come on, baby. Yes! Yes! Yeah! Oh my god, that was so complicated. Die. Oh boy! Oh boy. Just making sure. Listen, just... There's two more? What do you mean? I thought the... Oh no, we're done. Lol. Look. Run for your life. What? Oh no, the water hill. The water hurts you? Yo, what the fuck? Fuck. Oh, where am I supposed to go? I don't know! Ah! Oh, there's a portal there. Okay. Oh, crap. Oh my god, I'm concentrating so much. I'm sorry, I can't. Oh, no! Oh, crap. No way. Why didn't I make it? Oh, crap. No. Why can't you swim? Oh, no, no, no! Oh my god! No freaking way. No freaking way. No! What? Son of a bitch! No way. Oh my god, I got hit. I got killed by the pellet instead of the water. Son of a bitch. Oh dear. Oh no, no! No, shoot! Shoot! Damn it! Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me right now? No way, no way, no way! What the hell? Fuck! I swear that's probably the last bit. No, no, no. No, let me up, let me up! What? I can't move! I can't sit! Let me... Ah! I can't make it. Oh my god. I can't believe this shit. Oh. I'm never getting past this. Oh my... Oh, I don't know. This is as far as I've ever gotten. No, 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 no! Oh shit. Ah! We're falling for a while. Can I do anything? I can't do anything. Oh no! Save me! Even though you're probably trying to kill me.